Guys, welcome back. In this video, I would like to show you how to use AI and some other tools to create an amazing landing page for your micro SaaS project, or if you want a small business or a business and you would like to have a landing page for it. So let's get started. So this is the, I have like a header, navbar, sorry, and I also have this header and the animation that you could see on the background. I just use AI for it. So it's an amazing animation on the back. And for these, like the small avatar, I use also a component library that I'm going to show you guys. So it looks pretty great and it looks very, very modern. So let's move on to other section. So I have the section of how it works. So each of them could be clickable. Like as a user, I can click and I can learn more about it. And I have this review section. So when I hover it, it will stop. And it's not finished yet. So together, we're going to add new section to it. We will add new components to it. For instance, we'll add pricing. And we also have this meet our team. So again, the things that I'm going to show you, you could use those tools to create to come up with a modern landing page, websites, a full website, and as well as an app if you could utilize it effectively. So, and I also have like a nice footer as well. And I think it looks great. We just need to add a few more stuff to it to improve it a little bit more. So let's get started. As I mentioned, I will be using, I use Aceternity UI for some components. This is an amazing component library that you could use and just grab and copy the components that they are providing. So for instance, this one is pretty cool, and Magic UI. So this is another component library that providing you a lot of components for free. So let's just navigate through it a little bit. So for instance, I use this one for this review section. So if you click on components, you'll be able to see all of these components. For instance, this one or whatever you might be interested in. So I also use Magic UI as well. And another great tool that is pretty interesting is called V0, which is, I think, developed by Versal. And you can just type what kind of components you would like to have. And this AI tool will provide that component. So it's amazing, and I strongly recommend you guys if you could use it for your projects. We're gonna be, I also use this as well, and we will be also giving an example how you could use it. And Shadcn. So Shadcn is another component library that you could use. So for instance, where I utilize Shadcn is for my header section. So for instance, these buttons, I use Shadcn for it. So, or this input field right there. So Shadcn is another amazing component library that you could use. Now, together we will create one component so you can learn how to use these tools and create this amazing landing page. And one thing that I'm missing, actually, I'm not using, I forgot the name, damn. I'm not using Visual Studio. I'm using what? Cursor AI editor, which is an AI editor that you could use, and it's fast. So it's much faster than Visual Studio, and I'm utilizing this. So you'll be also learning about Versal as well, not Versal. You'll be also using about Cursor AI as well, how to use it. So let's get started. Now, for some inspiration, I'm going to go to this website called rebel.com, and from here you can check out different kind of pricing plans that you could use. For instance, this one looks pretty great, or this one. So you can take a look to some inspiration if you like. If you don't, that's fine. So now I will just head to the V0 app, which is we're gonna create a component for us. So I'll type, please create a pricing plan, not plan for my SaaS call fast blog. Okay, so we're gonna create this. Is gonna create a component for us. So let's see. And from here we can also preview how it looks. So since it hasn't yet finished, that's why. And V0 utilizing what? Shadcn. So you need to have Shadcn installed in order to use V0. So, wow. This looks pretty great. I love it, to be honest with you. Wow. Wow. This looks amazing. So in order to use it, it's very simple. Very, very, very simple. So first, what I need to do is I need to create a component. Okay. So what I could call it, let's create a new component. I will go to the Cursor AI editor. Let me just get rid of this all open windows. And let me close this as well. And I'll create a new component right there. And I will, no, not right there, here. I will call it what? I will call it pricing. .tsx. Okay. Now, what I need to do is very simple. So I'll copy this code and I'll go ahead to my Cursor AI editor, and that's it. So now we're missing something. We need to install Switch. So in order to use Switch, we need to use Shadcn UI. Shadcn UI is a component library. So I go to Shadcn right there, and I will be go to components, and I'm gonna look for what? Switch. So let me just see Switch. Yep, right here. So from here, I could download what? Switch. So I will say npm, and I also have my other terminal as well on the side. I can just paste it. Very good. Now I need to go to my cursor, and from here, yep, now I install it. Now what you could do is, wow, why is not okay? Perfect. Now I'm going to my page, and from here, before the reviews, I'm gonna add what? I'm gonna add pricing. So let me just quick fix, and I'm at the pricing. And now if I go to, we're missing something. We're missing what? Let me just see. We used to use client, use client. So let me just go to what? Let me just go to pricing. And on the top, I'm gonna add use client. Okay. So this will fix the issue. So I'm gonna go to, now if I scroll down, that's it. Simple and easy. Looks wonderful. Like, I love the pricing plan, how it looks. It has monthly billing, and it also has yearly billings. So very straightforward. It looks great. I love the design. I love this small icons that they're providing. So with AI, it's getting much easier to create amazing landing page for your SaaS projects. For instance, if you have an app idea and you want to create a landing page for it, or if you own a small business and you want to create an app for it. So let's keep going. Now, let's use Magic UI and let's try to add something else to our landing page. So I'm gonna, let's say we want something like this for our landing page, or what else we have. Let's navigate through it. For instance, you would like to have something like this for your landing page. So in order to use it, the first thing we need to do is we need to install. So I'm gonna install it. Okay. npm. Very good. And now I'll go to my terminal and I will paste it. Okay, now after that we're gonna create this component called what? Again, you can change the component name, but for this video I won't change it. So I'll go to here and now I'll create this component called TSX, or add TSX as well to it. And now what I'm gonna do is I'll copy this, okay, the whole thing, and I'm gonna go to my Course AI editor, and from here we also need to do some other changes as well. We're gonna need to update our what? Tailwind config.js. So now this is here I would use what? Cursor AI. So I will copy this and I'm gonna go to cursor and I will Control I. If you click Control I, you will see this page that opens, and from here you can chat with your components. And if you would like to add a new component, if you would like to change the design a little bit, if you would like to do other stuff with it, it's amazing. And you could use ChatGPT 4.0. You could use Cloud AI 3.5, and there's also providing other AI tools as well that you could use. Let me just Control Shift. Yeah, if I just choose one thing and if I click on Control K, I also can change it from here as well. So let me just close these. And now I will press Control L. You can also do Control L as well. And once you click Control L, it will open a different side page for you. And from here, you can also chat. So now what I'm going to do is I will access to that file. So what's the file name? Tailwind config.js. So I'm going to do Tailwind. No, okay, let me do once again. Tailwind config. Okay, very good. Now I will tell it to update my config, my tailwind.config.js. Is it .js or TS? It's actually TS. To this, and I'll paste what we have, what we copied. So that's it. That's it. Now it's gonna update it, and then what we need to do is we just need to apply the changes that we are receiving here. So now if I click on apply, I just need to accept these changes, or I could accept it by ones. Okay, let's go one by one. So that's it. Now I need to use this component. In order to use it, I'll go to my page and I will just paste it before what? Let's say before pricing. Okay, now what was the component name? The component name was this. So now I need to import it. I import it now. And that's it. That's it. You just need to play around with the background color so it matches to all of the page. And you can change the logo as well. Aceternity UI to come up with a new components. For instance, if you would like to come up with a call to action or other components, you could use it. For instance, for the CTA, I would love to, for instance, if I wanted to use, I might use this one. And if you guys have any question you would like me to answer, please leave a comment on the description part of the video. And if you really like this video, guys, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I'll be trying to create amazing videos like this that will help you guys to utilize AI and come up with landing pages or create your full app. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.